Hey, Bob Deeks here with RDC Fine Homes up in beautiful Whistler, British Columbia. Just watching black tusk cranes pull out after completing the assembly of our prefabbed net zero ready home here. They just put on the third floor walls, you can see sitting up there, and these two prefabricated roof assemblies. So the boys have been working away for the better part of a week to put this structure together. A week today we will see our timber frame package come in for that last remaining section of roof that you can see missing in the middle there, as well as some canopy roofs over the garage and the front entry. Let's go inside quickly and we'll do a quick run through inside so you can see the progress to date. So lower floor framing all complete. This was done while the prefab walls were being done. You can see everything in place, including some plumbing rough-ins hiding in the background there. So all the plumbing rough-ins are also done down this lower floor. Getting ready for when we get the roof on and we can complete our electrical and plumbing and mechanical rough-ins. You can see that's the floor pack above for the master bedroom wing. A few interior walls left to go in. Beautiful view out the back, if you can see, with the glare of the sun onto the creek down below there. And then we've got some temporary stairs in here. These stairs will eventually get replaced with a steel and wood tread assembly. And we'll go up and have a look at what the master bedroom level looks like. Roof on, pretty cool. Master bedroom with awesome view up to Whistler Blackcomb up in the background there, down over the creek. A little balcony that'll go over top of the room that you see down below here. So looking forward to our timber frame package over the kitchen, living room, dining room here, which, as I said, comes in next week. And we'll have and we'll and we will have a home with a roof. So stay tuned and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel here if you want to follow along, or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.